What is up, guys? Lo-Fi Gaming back at it again. Today I came back from a new gaming store called the Game Room. No, it wasn't the Xbox controller. I already uploaded that video. But the only problem with this is it doesn't work very well on the phone I'm recording on, the Samsung Galaxy A20. So, and I am tired. I just went on a 2-mile run. So, yeah, but we have a new brother to our Nintendo 3DS collection. So, naturally. So I did trade in some of my old games. I do have to put this receipt aside so you guys can't see it, sadly, but we bought, oh my god, we bought Monster Hunter Monster Hunter Generations. So I don't know what this game's all about. It's made by Capcom though, and it was $11.40. Seems like a pretty good game. And I am going to tag the location of where I bought this from. So, let's just take that out. Here, a little packet. I'm going to save this since it is really nice. Here we have our 3DS game. Oh, wow. This is in pristine. For some reason, all the 3DS cards... Oh, wow. Bit of scratches up here. But nothing too major. So let's take our 2DS out. And there will be a video tomorrow unboxing the new Nintendo 2DS XL. So I have gotten into playing The Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask 3D recently. I do want to start playing Minecraft on the 3DS just because it's nostalgic. But let's have Monster Hunter Generations into... And it does read! So let's go in and see what it's all about. Circle pad. Hey guys! Warning. There is no data to load. Okay. Using... No, I don't. Okay. So do not remove the 3DS. Actually, let me just focus into the light. Okay. Oh, wow. From meow, it takes meow and then... This is dumb. But, let's give this new game. Create new character name. What's up with this? Is this like a Jap? I've never seen this before. Let me just go get a stylus. From the pink, trusty DS case. Let's get our stylus. Let's just call him Lo.fi. Lo-Fi Gaming. You should subscribe too. Gender. Where's attack color? I'm just kidding. Face. Type 1, type 2, type 3. I do like this one. Eye color. Oh, this blue. This, oh, this. I do like this one, though. Hairstyle. Clothing. Oh, this one's okay. Done. Guild. Striker. Okay, I don't know what that means, but let's just go. Art. Escape runner. Yeah, let's continue. Oh, we have our nice layout. Type B. Let's say B. Oh, okay. Let's see this. Now loading. So this does seem like a bit weird of a game. I have heard good things about this game though. And it is one of the best sellers on the 3DS eShop, so it must be good. Scan this QR code. Oh well, let me just take my... the stylus fell. Oh, this is like a Fallout style. Also, guys, if you have not played Fallout 3, go play it. It's the best game ever. Okay, I can't. I'll sift through this game later, but I hope you guys will love this. Oh wow. So whenever it does that, it probably means it's a heavy game. So this game does have a lot of data, and I will be thinking of resetting my 3DS. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. This was Lo-Fi Gaming, and I'm out. Peace.